Welcome to the Watt Hour. This segment will speak about powering the drone future. Welcome to the Watt Hour. I'm William Hadala, Vice President at American Lithium Energy. Today I want to talk about a major transformation happening across aerospace and defense, one that's redefining how we think about autonomy, readiness, and energy. Uncrewed aerial systems, UAVs, are no longer an edge case. They're core to the future of defense and commercial strategy alike. But beneath the hype around autonomy lies a fundamental question that still isn't getting enough attention. What powers these systems? We're seeing an ecosystem emerge that includes everything from Group 1 tactical drones to Group 5 long-range ISR platforms. Add to that collaborative combat aircraft, swarming systems, autonomous maritime, and ground platforms, and it's clear that autonomy is scaling fast. But here's the challenge. While autonomy evolves through sensors and algorithms, mobility is still powered by the battery pack. You can't fly, fight, or surveil with software alone. If energy isn't part of your platform strategy, your autonomy roadmap is incomplete. In conversations I've had with drone OEMs, defense primes, and integration teams, one theme keeps resurfacing. Energy is often the weakest link. Too many platforms still rely on foreign-made cells that were never engineered for these missions. That means uncertain availability, unknown thermal profiles, limited discharge rates, and vulnerabilities we can't afford in contested environments. We've reached the point where supply chain resilience and mission assurance must start at the cell level. Power is not a commodity, it's critical infrastructure. At American Lithium Energy, we've built our battery technology to solve this exact problem. Our cells are engineered and manufactured in the United States with performance characteristics that match the mission profiles of today's most advanced UAVs and autonomous platforms. Energy cells rated up to 350 watt-hour per kilogram. Power cells that support 20C to 100C discharge, operational from minus 40 degrees Celsius to plus 70 degrees C, built-in 0-volt technology for long-term storage, integrated SafeCore TM fuse tech for thermal protection. Whether you're building VTOL drones, ISR platforms, loitering munitions, or command and control nodes, our energy systems are designed to support your platform's purpose, not limit it. We're at a strategic inflection point. Autonomy is no longer theoretical, it's operational. But the real differentiator will be in the infrastructure we choose to build it on. So if you're an OEM integrator or government leader asking, how do we ensure these systems are reliable, secure, and ready for scale? Start with the battery. Start with a partner who builds in America. Start with American Lithium Energy. I'm William Hadala, and this is the Watt Hour. If your mission requires power that performs, we're ready when you are.